Do you need a will? Do you need a trust? Why would you need both? This is a common question when you start looking at estate planning services and what you need. The truth is, it depends, because your family, your assets, and your goals are all unique. So today, I'm going to walk you through the difference and help you start thinking about what might make the most sense for you. I'm Barbara Moss, founder of Elder Law of Nashville. I help families across Tennessee create estate plans that protect the people they love and the life they've built. If you're not sure whether you need a will, a trust, or maybe both, this video is for you. And when you're ready to talk through the situation, I'd be honored to help. Let's start with wills. If we were sitting down together and you told me, I just want something simple. I need to make sure my house goes to my daughter. I want to name who takes care of the pets, and I don't have a ton of complex assets. Then I might recommend a will. A will only kicks in after you pass. It tells the court who should receive what. You can also use it to name guardians if you have minor children or dependents. But I'll be honest, wills have to go through probate. That's the court process that officially transfers your assets. It can take time, it's public, and depending on your situation, it might cause stress or delays for your family. So if privacy, speed, or avoiding court is a concern, we should talk about trust. Now, if you were to say to me, Barbara, I don't want my family going through court. I want things to be smooth, private, and handled the way I say, then I'd probably recommend a revocable living trust. With a trust, you can transfer your assets, such as your house, bank accounts, or investments, into the trust while you're still alive. You stay in full control. But if something happens to you, your chosen person steps in and manages everything without needing court approval. It also protects you if you become incapacitated. So if you're ever in a situation where you can't make decisions, the trust already has a plan in place. Many of my clients actually end up using both. Let's say you set up a trust for the big things, your home, financial accounts, maybe a rental property, but there are still a few loose ends. That's where a simple will can act as a backup. We call it a pour-over will. It catches anything left out and makes sure it ends up in the trust. It's not about either or. It's about making your plan work the way you want it to. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all trusts are the same. For example, if you told me I'm worried about nursing home costs down the line, we'd discuss irrevocable trusts, which can protect assets in ways a revocable trust cannot. If you have a child with special needs, we'd likely set up a special needs trust, allowing them to continue receiving government benefits while still having access to the resources you've set aside. Want to support a church, alma mater, or cause you care about? A charitable trust might be the right tool. The trust we choose depends on your life, your values, and your long-term concerns. There's no one-size-fits-all. That's why these conversations matter. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's that estate planning isn't about having the right document. It's about building the right plan for you, one that's flexible, thoughtful, and protects the people and things that matter most. At Elder Law of Nashville, this is what we do every day. We listen, we guide, we help you make clear, confident decisions. If you're ready to talk through your options or even just have a few questions, I'd love to hear from you. Let's make a plan that gives you peace of mind.